Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm going to show you how to make an easy cilantro ranch pasta salad. Hey, Chef Kate here. This dish is one that you will truly fall in love with. Packed with flavors and textures, this is a meal all in itself. The dressing that goes into this is so good, I can't wait to show you how to make it. To start, we're going to get a pot of water boiling. Then we are going to cook 1 pound of pasta to al dente according to the package directions. Today I'm using bowtie pasta, but feel free to use whatever pasta you prefer. When those noodles are done cooking, we're going to drain them and rinse them in cold water so they don't continue to cook. Heading back to the counter, we're going to add our noodles to a large bowl. And I'm going to start my toppings ingredients by slicing up 8 ounces of cherry tomatoes and placing those in a large bowl. Then you'll need to cube 8 ounces of cheddar cheese. Cube them to the size that you want. I like them about 1/4 inch. If you're not a fan of cheddar cheese, feel free to use pepper jack or mozzarella, whatever cheese you like. Now we're going to chop 1 English cucumber. I like to quarter them so they're more bite-sized pieces. And dice up 1/2 of a red onion. Then place those items into the bowl once they're all cut up. Now you're going to add in 4 slices of crumbled bacon. Or add in as much bacon as you want, but let's get started on the dressing. This dressing starts with 16 ounces of green salsa. And then add in 1 cup of mayo and 1 bunch of cilantro. The juice of 1 lime, 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Blend until smooth, which will take about 1 minute depending on your blender. Then we're going to pour that fresh sauce all over the ingredients in the bowl. And then give it a great big stir until all of those ingredients are covered in that yummy sauce. And then cover it and place it in the fridge. Then when you're ready to eat, if you're like me, you love to add avocados to everything. So dice up an avocado. Let me show you how to do that. First, slice that avocado in half longwise, and let's pop it open. Then using your knife, carefully hit that pit and give it a rotation. Now cut through, making sure to not cut through that exterior skin. Now cut it in the other direction so that you get those little cubes. Then use a large spoon and scoop out the avocado cubes into your salad. And then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can get the full written recipe in the video description below. I'm Chef Kate. We'll see you later.